Many people start their day with a warm shower. It's comfortable, relaxing, and helps you wake up. But what if I told you that a cold shower could be even better for you? It may seem counterintuitive, even unpleasant, to trade warmth for a blast of cold water. However, embracing the cold can bring a surprising array of health benefits. Stepping outside your comfort zone, in this case quite literally, can unlock your body's full potential. Get ready to discover the power of cold showers. Many people believe that a hot shower is the best way to start the day. It is thought to be relaxing and good for your muscles. However, this is not entirely true. While a warm shower can be comforting, it doesn't provide the same benefits as a cold shower. Cold showers, on the other hand, are known to invigorate your body and mind. This is why they are becoming increasingly popular as a healthy habit. One of the key benefits of cold showers lies in a process called thermogenesis. When you expose your body to cold temperatures, it has to work harder to maintain its core temperature. This process activates your metabolism, increasing your energy expenditure. It's like turning up the furnace inside your body. Cold showers help your body to burn more calories, even after you've stepped out of the shower. Thermogenesis is the process of your body generating heat to maintain its core temperature. When you take a cold shower, your body has to work harder to regulate its temperature, leading to an increase in metabolism. This means you burn more calories even at rest. This process is not only beneficial for weight management, but also for overall health and vitality. The benefits of cold showers extend beyond the physical. A cold shower is a great way to invigorate your mind and improve your mood. The initial shock of the cold water sends a rush of blood through your body. This process can help you feel more alert and energized, fighting off fatigue and boosting your mental clarity. Regular cold showers have also been linked to a decrease in stress levels and symptoms of depression. Cold showers have been shown to increase the production of endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. These hormones interact with receptors in your brain, reducing your perception of pain and triggering positive feelings. Cold showers can also improve your mood by increasing the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that plays a role in alertness and focus. In this section, we explore the intriguing connection between cold showers and blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that cold showers might play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies indicate that cold exposure can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for your body's ability to use glucose effectively. This means that your cells become better at absorbing glucose from your bloodstream, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and improving overall metabolic health. However, more research is needed in this area. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body regulate blood sugar levels. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can use glucose more efficiently, which can help prevent high blood sugar levels. While more research is needed to confirm the long-term benefits of cold showers on blood sugar control, the initial findings are indeed promising. Now let's talk about how you can start your journey to a healthier you. Taking cold showers might seem daunting at first, but the potential benefits for your physical and mental well-being are worth considering. Why not challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone? Start by gradually incorporating cold water into your shower routine. You can begin with a warm shower and end with a burst of cold water, gradually increasing the duration. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Embrace the power of the cold and unlock a healthier, more energized you. Cold showers are an easy and accessible way to improve your health. They can boost your metabolism, enhance your mood, and potentially regulate your blood sugar levels. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits, the existing evidence suggests that cold showers are a simple yet powerful tool for a healthier life. So, turn the knob towards the cold and experience the invigorating power of a cold shower.